pressure on him, throw off just a little bit.
The moment you've all been expecting has finally arrived. And tonight, we're finally going to draw him. Tonight, we're finally going to draw Pikachu's evolved form, Raichu. If you must know by now, Raichu is one of the original evolved starters from the original Pokemon series, known as the Kanto region.
You guys are on a lot of advertisements, babes. Yep.
As you have noticed by now, the Kanto region started off with 150 Pokemon, and Raichu was one of them. As you have noticed by now, Raichu can evolve into... After Raichu evolves from Pikachu, it knows a few stronger moves. Besides its move, Volt Tackle has been increased. It knows the signature move known as Hyper Beam. It knows and basically it has a Alolan form. It can only evolve into Raichu using the Thunderstone. Well, I do have Raichu in my arsenal. I never really understood why they never got the chance to include Raichu onto the series. Well, they never really got to show off Raichu on the as one of Ash's partners. I mean, Ash doesn't really have any other electric types besides his own. I mean, Go has his own Raichu. Alright, here's a special Thunderbolt-like tail that he uses.
Play action. Come on, fucking Jones, he's throwing the ball all over the place. For Christ's sake.
And so it'll be a second down. You said prior to the game, like the Giants have to throw the ball today. It's not what they do, but they've done it.
The guy's wide open.
There he is. That is how you draw Raichu. That's all for now. Good night.